Hello and welcome to Shwa Effortless Learning. Today we are discussing different types of adverbs. As we already know, adverbs are the neighboring aunties. They talk about anything and everything. By anything and everything, I mean they talk about verbs, adjectives, and adverbs themselves. So let's take a look at adverbs. As I was quietly sneaking out of the house, mother caught me. So I had to apologize to her and ran as fast as I could to my room. Here, if we see these sentences, they talk about the verbs, like as I was quietly sneak out, like very quietly without telling anyone, going out somewhere. And then my mother caught me. And also, I had to run as fast as I could. So these are the three verbs we are getting from these two sentences: sneaking out, caught, and run. But if we try to see these sentences carefully, as I was sneaking out quietly, how was I sneaking out? I was sneaking out quietly. Where was I sneaking? I was sneaking out, like outside, out of the house. Then I ran as fast as I could. How did I run? I ran fast. Here, out, quietly, and fast, they give us more information about the verbs that are used in these sentences. So these words are adverbs which qualify the verbs, which are giving us more and more information about the verbs that are used in these sentences. So that means when adverbs analyze verbs, they give us information about what, where, how, all these things. Based on the information, the type of informations the adverbs convey us, like how, when, in which way, all these things, adverbs can be classified into 10 types. Let's take a clearer look at the adverbs. First, adverbs of quality or manner. It gives us the answer how something has been done. For example, I ran as fast as I could. So I ran, and how did I run? I ran as fast as I could. Here, fast is the adverb of manner. She works hard. He speaks well. How does she work? She works hard. How does he speak? He speaks well. So in these two sentences, she works hard, and well are the adverbs of manner for the verbs work and speak. Now let's take adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us about the place of action, as in where the action has taken place. For example, I was sneaking out. So the action is going out. Outside is the place of action here. So out is the adverb of place. We can have in, out, inside, there, here, all these words as adverbs of place. Now let's come to adverb of time. Adverb of time talks about when the action has taken place. It tells us about the time of action. For example, I hope to upload one video every day. Welcome to today's lesson. We are talking now. Here, now, every day, today are the adverbs of time because they talk about the time of action. Now, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often an action has taken place. So of course, often, rarely, every day, daily, sometimes, seldom are some of the adverbs that talk about adverbs of frequency. For example, I talk to my parents every day. So here the action of talking takes place every day. So every day is here the adverb of frequency. Adverb of reason establish the logical connection between two parts of a sentence. I could not go because it was raining. Here, because is establishing a connection between my not being able to go and the raining. Because, as, since, therefore, hence are some of adverbs of reason. While talking or while emphasizing on some point, we sometimes use words like certainly, positively, absolutely. These words are adverbs of affirmation or negation. And we use these words, these sorts of adverbs, to affirm or negate some action. For example, I'll absolutely take up more and more issues in grammar every single day. Adverbs of degree, they talk about the intensity of an action. It gives us the answer to the question, how much, to what extent, how far. For example, I'm extremely tired. I'm quite tired today. I'm just too tired. So these types of words are used to express the intensity of the action, and hence they are adverbs of degree. Adverbs of focus, as the name suggests, they focus on a very limited part of the entire sentence. So only you can do this presentation. The presentation will take just 15 minutes. Even though you are saying you are unprepared, I'm certain that only you can do it. You can do at least this much for the company. So in this sentence, only you can do that. Only. It will take just 15 minutes. Just. Even though. And at least. These are the words that are focusing on a particular aspect in the whole sentence, and hence these types of words are adverbs of focus. Interrogative adverbs do not really modify another verb or another adverb or adjective. They directly ask questions, but we get adverbs as answers. Like, where are you going? We get adverbs of place as an answer. How are we going? When are we going? So how, when, where, these are the words which are interrogative adverbs. Now let's come to relative adverbs. Relative adverbs, as the name suggests, they relate the work. They relate two parts of action in a sentence. For example, can you tell me where Shakespeare was born? Oh, I can't find my book. I think I have lost the book that you have given me. So here, where Shakespeare was born, and I think I have lost the book that you have given me, this, that, these are the words that are adverbs of relative. So here, adverbs of relatives, they establish a relation, and hence their names are adverbs of relation or relative adverbs. So that's all about adverb for today. Do write your questions regarding adverbs in the comment section below. Other than that, like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care.